Hello! Welcome back po dito sa Angel Pancha PH Tarot. Ayan, fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, or gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, so today is September 15th, Friday. Tignan natin kung ano ang magiging kapalaran ng ating fire signs. Okay, today at sa mga susunod na araw. Okay, ayan. Paalala lang po sa lahat, this is a general reading, hindi po ito magre-resonate po sa lahat po ng mga nanonood ngayon. Okay? Kunin nyo lang yung mga nagre-resonate sa inyo and iwan yung mga hindi. And also, let me know in the comments if nag-resonate po sa inyo ang aking mga readings. By the way, okay, fire signs, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Bono Magos, kasi every weekend, Saturday or Sunday, mga afternoon or evening, magpapahula po ako ng libre sa Instagram account ko. Hanapin ninyo, Bono Magos po. Okay? Pinost ko sa community tab yung Instagram. Alright, fire signs. You have the Three of Cups, okay? There could be some sort of celebration happening for you today or sa mga susunod na araw. I see you being with friends. There is feeling joy, happiness, celebration. Ayan, mukhang magiging masaya ang araw ng ating fire signs today at sa mga susunod na araw. Good energy. Next, you have the World. You are ending as an old cycle and entering a new cycle. Means you are entering may panibagong chapter na mangyayari sa buhay ng ating mga fire signs. Starting today, wow, what a coincidence, is new moon. New moon means new beginning, new chapter, new life. O, diba? Oh my God, I love this. Fire signs. I'm also an Aries, so I love this. You're going to achieve new things in life. Take this. Claim this. Okay, the World card. The world is going to be your oyster. The world is in your hand. You have unlimited possibilities, unlimited potential. So take this opportunity. Starting today, it's happening. New moon. Okay, organize. Okay, because new moon in Virgo. Virgo is very practical, perfectionist, somewhat. Okay, and ang Virgo, very detail-oriented, organized, practical, and hardworking. Mga earth signs. So, ayan, take this opportunity to plan ahead, plan your future, write it down, okay? Your to-do list, organize your things, your mag-declutter ka to attract possibilities, okay? To start this is your kumbaga, starting point, new moon, o di ba? Wow, good omen, good, parang pang feng shui kumbaga, okay? Ayan, you were the World. Wow, beautiful. You have the Magician. Oh my God, mapapasa na all fire signs. The Magician is a card of willpower, desire, creation, manifestation. Your manifestation is very, very high today at sa mga susunod na araw. Take this opportunity, my God. Whatever you're going to manifest, fire signs, starting this new moon will become a reality. Magkakatotoo. Lahat ng mga gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo with the Magician. You are the Magician. Think of yourself as the Magician. Okay? What are you planning to create? What do you want to do in your life? Ano bang gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo? Take this opportunity. Get into action. Take charge. Okay? Plan ahead. Wag nang mag-focus sa mga nangyaring tapos na at sa mga negative. Okay, take this opportunity. Take charge of your life. You have the willpower. Okay, whatever you desire, okay, in life, mangyayari. If you have confidence, you will have confidence, fire signs. I love your energy. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, congratulations. Okay, you have the Ace of Cups. Ang ganda ng cards mo today. I loved it. This is new love maybe coming in for you starting today sa mga susunod na araw. But you know what? This is overflowing of joy and happiness with the Ace of Cups. Overflowing. Yan, no? Dove. Dove represents peace and harmony and hope. Diba? Okay. Creativity. Maybe you are planning You are creating something new in your life. Whatever you're planning, whatever you're creating, it would lead to your success with the World card. It would lead to great achievement. Wow! My goodness! Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for all of us, Aries and Leo and Sagittarius fire signs. Wow! You have emotional awakening. Okay, maybe some of you have developed your intuition abilities, Maybe some of you are psychic, and starting this new moon, mai-enhance yan. The card of fulfillment. This is you being fulfilled with desire and whatever dreams you want to come true. Ayan. Magkakatotoo. But overall, Ace of Cups is overflowing with joy and happiness. I love this card. Starting off with the Three of Cups. Look at that! Oh my God, you saw me shuffle the cards, diba? Ayan. What else? You have the Strength card. Talaga naman, overcoming obstacles in life. You have the inner strength. You are so brave. Okay? You have compassion at the same time. You are focused. Focus ka sa goals mo. Good thing. But you have the Devil. Okay? I feel like you are ending some of you fire signs, you're ending a very toxic relationship, toxic behavior. You're ending a toxic energy. You're leaving behind any negativity in your life. If you feel na nasusurround ka, if you feel na napapalibutan ka ng mga bad or toxic energy, you are now leaving behind it, or iniiwan mo na sila. Anything that is no longer serving you, anything that doesn't work for you, anything na hindi na makakatulong sa'yo, you're letting go. You're learning to let go na. Wow! I love this. Okay? Next, you have the Hangman. I see you trusting the divine will, and because of that, you have the Ace of Cups. 9 of Cups! Mapapatili na naman ako. Wish fulfillment. And you know what? In conjunction with the Ace of Cups, fire signs! I love your reading. Talaga namang tumpak na tumpak sa new moon. Palakpakan natin ang fire signs. Palakpakan natin. You know what? Gagawa ako ng ganitong, para sa inyo. Okay? To set the intention for our fire signs. Oh, diba? I love it! Congratulations, fire signs. Okay? Oh my goodness, that's the sign. You are so gonna be happy in the next few days. Claim this energy. Okay? You have wealth, luck, and accomplishment. A lot of you fire signs, you're gonna be lucky, feeling overjoyed within the next few days or next week. Okay? Although nangyari tong reading na to, remember that time and energy is fluid. Ibig sabihin yan, dumadaloy ang energy. Time is fluid. Ayan. Okay? Fluid. Smooth, dumadaloy. Okay? So this may happen, if not today, within the next few days, or maybe next week. Feeling wealthy. Money is coming in for you because of the Magician and the World card. Okay? You are creating something new in your life, and it would lead to your success, accomplishment, pride. Pride is proud. Proud ka sa mga accomplishments mo. You'll be proud of what you're going to achieve in life, fire signs. I love your reading. Okay? There's a new passion that you love. There's maybe something that you want to start. Maybe a business, an investment. Maybe something creative that would lead to great wealth. Oh my goodness. I love this. Okay? Wow. Emotional fulfillment. Accomplishment. Sana all. Sana all. I love this. Okay? I love this. Congratulations, fire signs. Parang speechless ako dun. Because of the cards. If you know how to read cards, talagang mapapa-speechless ka. Now, going back to the Hangman. I see you sacrifice something in your life, maybe recently or in the past. And I see you releasing really some toxic in your life. See, releasing. You see the word release? I see you releasing negative behaviors, toxic. It's like, kumbaga, para ka ng, nagbihis. Para kang nagpalit na ng damit. Kasi yung mga damit luma na, mabigat na, mabaho na, parang bad na sa katawan mo. And now, you are, bumili ka na ng bagong damit, kumbaga. It's like that. Entering, beginning a new cycle. Parang ahas na nag-shed ng skin. Okay? Parang bago, ganun. Wow, this is beautiful. You are, parang kumbaga binigyan ka ng universe ng bagong chapter sa buhay. Alam mo yun, bagong pag-asa, bagong buhay. Bagong buhay na puno ng saya, puno ng success, puno ng mga posibilidad, magagandang posibilidad and opportunities that would lead to your accomplishments, success, joy, happiness, fulfillment. O, saan ka pa? Good health with the Strength card. I see you being with friends, good friends. Friends na your tribe. Friends where you really belong. Okay? In a community where you belong that is healthy with the Strength card. Okay? You are focusing on your health, good health. And I think a lot of you fire signs, you are gonna be more healthier. Okay? Healthier, more alive, more energetic. Mas, yung energy ninyo. Alright? Ang ganda ng reading. Oh my God. Parang ayokong tapusin. But anyway, kuha na tayo ng angel number for you. Fire signs. Okay? Talagang tuwang-tuwa ako. I feel the energy po kasi, mga madam and sir. I feel the energy. Excited, na maganda, masaya, accomplishment. Sinong may ayaw niyan? Diba? Oh my goodness. Okay. Fire signs, your angel number is number 21. You are indeed an inspiring person. You will inspire a lot of people, fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, okay? You are highly creative. Maybe you are someone with creative ideas. When we say creative, yung bang mga taong mabilis makaisip ng idea. May makita siyang basura. Hindi basura ang tingin niya dyan. Opportunity na makagawa ng something na maibenta niya. Mapapakinabangan. Yun ng mga taong makikita mong creative. May puno. Tinapon tong puno na kagaya nito. Okay? Puno yan dati na itsinipwera na lang. Kung creative ka na tao, makikita mo, ay, gawin ko siyang ganito. Oh, di ba? The result, tigyan nyo naman. Oh, ito, tinapon, bakal. If you are a creative person, alam mong mapapakinabangan mo pa. O, ginawang design. Yung mga ganon, o, damit. Ang daming nagkalat ng damit. Ang daming itinapon ng damit. If you are a creative person, you will realize, kaka-idea ka na, gawin kong kumot yan. Pag, ano ko yan? Siyempre, itatahi-tahi mo, pag tupi-tupi mo. O, diba? Yung mga ganun, mga blanket. May mga ganun mga taong ganun, na nakakita sila ng basura. Yung iba, tingin basura. Pero sa kanila, makakuha sila ng idea, ay, gawin kong bag yan. Ay, gawin kong tsinelas yan. Ay, gawin kong ganito yan. O, diba? Yung mga ganun, charot. O, diba? You are highly creative with a strong will to succeed. Yan ang sinasabi ko Your imagination is highly charged right now. It reveals itself in everything you do. From your sparkling conversations to your most prized projects. Yun ang example na sinabi ko. O, diba? Hay, ang ganda talaga. Oh my God, tutuwa ako sa inyo, fire signs. I feel your energy because fire signs, you are so full of fire. You're the fire. You're the fire element of the zodiac. So talagang dapat lang talaga na bagay sa inyo maging creative because creativity is passion. Fire, passion, chemistry. Oh my God. Sobrang excited ako kasi alam ko most sa inyo makakagawa ng mga sinabi ko. Okay? Maybe this is the sign na Lalo na kung hindi ka na masaya sa work mo. Like, if you're a call center agent, nagwo-work ka sa BPO industry, and it's something na parang kalaunan naging detrimental sa health mo. Like, I don't like this job anymore. It's parang ganon. And then now, with a light bulb moment, with a spark, with a ding, then ma-realize mo, you know what, maybe I can create something. Maybe I'd like to paint. Oh, mga painters ngayon nakakabenta ng 20K, 50K, 100K. Oh, almost 500,000. Oh my God, in a month. But anyways, by your sign, I'm so bubbly today. Nakuha ko yung energy ninyo, and I hope you can feel my energy live, alive, and full of passion and inspired. Okay, so thank you so much. Let me know in the comments. Okay, by the way, before I go, may binibenta akong mga items. Okay? Oh, nag-deal ang bill. Relationship repair jar. 290 pesos lang. Okay? So, ayan. Sa mga interesado, gustong magkabalikan ng yung love life, kayo ng asawa mo or girlfriend mo, naghiwalay kayo, boyfriend, naghiwalay kayo, ganyan, nag-away kayo. Gusto yung ma-repair yung relationship ninyo, you need this. Okay? It's only 290 pesos. Okay? Sinadya ko yan para affordable sa mga taong nangangailangan. Okay? And this one, sa naghahanap ng jowa. Okay? Naghahanap ng love life. Gusto maka-attract ng afam. Oh, diba? Oh, 290 din. Love and Attraction Spell Jar. Okay? Screenshot nyo lang and message nyo ako sa Facebook page, Bono Magos. As always, available pa rin ang ating 2-in-1 financial blockages removal and money spell jar. Napapansin nyo guys, lumiliwanag. Our angels are here. My divine beings are here. Oh my goodness, I love this. What else? Available pa rin ang ating anti-kulam black magic protection and healing necklace for only 1,000. This is 2-in-1 na siya. Okay? So may gusto, just take a screenshot and message me sa Facebook page Puno Magos. Okay? So naghahanap ng hustisya. Ayan. Okay. This is 270 pesos. Okay? May kasama ng ritual yan and instructions. As always. So, ayan po. Maraming salamat. I'll see you next time po. Ingat, God bless, and more power. Paalam!